Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the Gardinnovations Seed in Soil Digger and Soil Spacer, which we're calling the best seed spacers planting tool. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this simple yet ingenious tool will revolutionize the way you plant your seeds. If you've ever struggled with spacing your seeds evenly, you know it can be a time-consuming and tedious process. The Seed in Soil Digger takes all the guesswork out of it. Designed to create 17 evenly spaced holes in the soil at once, this tool ensures perfect spacing every time, saving you both time and effort. No need for measuring tape or trying to eyeball the right distance between your plants. This tool does all the hard work for you. This tool is lightweight, weighing less than a pound, and is made from nearly indestructible materials. You won't have to worry about it breaking or wearing down after multiple uses. It's built to last, making it a fantastic investment for your garden. It's also easy to use, so no matter how much experience you have, you'll find planting your seeds quicker and easier than ever. What's even better is its versatility. You can use every hole for closely spaced crops, or you can skip every second or third hole for larger plants that need more room to grow. Whether you're planting rows of carrots or spacing out your tomatoes, the Seed in Soil Digger adapts to your planting needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient planting process. Gardening is all about making the most of your time and space, and with this tool, you'll be able to grow a beautifully spaced garden with far less effort. Plus, it makes a thoughtful gift for any gardening enthusiast, providing them with a tool they'll use season after season. In conclusion, the Gardinnovations Seed in Soil Digger and Soil Spacer is a game-changer for any gardener looking to make planting easier and more efficient. It's durable, practical, and will save you time in your garden. If you're tired of uneven seed spacing and manual labor, this is the tool you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there. Happy gardening!